Alright, what's going on YouTube? It's going to be a quick update for Chainlink. I'm going to try to make it quick, but I see waves. I see waves coming to the downside. And I'm still unsure if it's an ABC or whatnot, so let's get into it. I got my charts all set up for success here. So yesterday we were consolidating above this white moving average, and today finally we got a slam. Now I wonder if it happened right at the start of this candle, because it seems like it doesn't even have a wick. So it probably started right when that last 8-hour candle came by. I just want to take a peek at Bitcoin 8-hour chart. Then again, that was Chainlink. So usually when we see a volume like coming downwards to the upside, usually that's a bad sign. And especially if you got trapped, if someone bought right here and they got trapped. If we don't see an engulfing candle on the way up, we've got a lot of resistance coming to the downside. And to me, I think that Bitcoin is bearish, definitely on this chart on the 8 hours. I'm gonna go through my cycle analysis. Oh, look at that. So I wasn't home. I was actually canoeing or kayaking with my brother today. So I did get in. Where did I get in? Like right around here at the 32, and then more upwards, something like that. But yeah, it seems like the 3-hour caught it pretty nicely right on its moving average, and prices have then gone up 2%. We don't have a crossover yet there. So obviously I think that we're getting some support right now. Another thing to take a look at is this Fibonacci. Let me remove this garbage. This Fibonacci right here, that we hit the 382 perfectly, and then you got a double whammy, right? I still think we're bearish, but obviously we're holding right now. So I might be taking my profits. You know, I should have. So let's take a look at this wave count, right? Yeah, that was a good trade right here for the bottom of the range. The 13-minute. I'm looking for which one is it? I'll use the 13. I think I'm gonna use the bullish cycle. I'm looking for the most clearest waves to see here. I'll use this one. So the 21 minute. This is Bitcoin. Hold on. All right. Yeah, I gotta buy this for sure. The 5 minutes not really showing me some bullish sentiments on the RSI. In my opinion, we still have some resistance, but I do think that we're gonna pop up here on Chainlink, and that's just gonna give us a better place to sell higher if we can do that. So this is the wave I was looking at. This is 1, and then this is 2. So let's analyze this wave right here. So 1, 2, boom, boom, boom. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and buy. I didn't want to do this on air, but it is what it is. So here's my stop loss. Let it refresh here. Man, that would have been a nice little play if I got it on the EMA right there, right? Plus 2% extra. Oh wow, is it ever spiking right now? But Chainlink, like the cents, like it goes up pretty fast if this thing would load up here. You see that? They're buying up the prices here. Okay. And so I was looking on my phone. Yeah, here, let me just buy it. Okay. Clear my head. If I want to get back in, I'll do so. So I got 169 repay. Let's try to get a limit here. Doesn't really matter, but okay. But yeah, I think it's probably gonna go up. I'm not sure. So this is kind of the analysis that I wanted to do here. Sorry about that. I gotta clear the chart. Here's an A, B, possibly, and an N pattern that can probably take us all the way up here or right here. We'll see. So from where I got in, I'm up about 5% right now. And it went down all the way 8%, hitting our EMA here. Okay. Okay, where's my okay, I'm gonna buy it on market here. Should have probably did that before. All good. Boom. Okay, done. Got a pretty good price there, eh? Sometimes the subconscious mind and the sixth sense works in harmony. Like, bro, we just spiked. But yeah, so here's the 1 minute chart. We're getting increase in volume, but it is coming back down a little bit here. So I just wanted to take a profit, clear my head, and I'll open up another position when it gets there. Yeah, I'm just gonna take my time, maybe chill out a bit. So where did I buy it? I bought it like right here, okay, where my cursor is on, right here. And usually these N patterns take time, first of all. Second of all, they could either break the top here and do a 101 extension, or it could hit the 61.8, which is right here. Okay, so instead of buying it, some traders are going to be shorting even more or selling even more. So this is either a bear flag or it's going to be that N pattern that I'm talking about here. So what I am looking for though is an A, B, and a C for that fourth wave. So if I go back to the charts here, now that my head is clear, I can kind of analyze this with a clearer with a clear head. So the RSI hit 50, only at 50. I think this is a good long, to be honest with you. I'm not scalping it right now because I'm in peace. Okay, I don't want to be in any negative emotional state. Okay, I'm cool with 5% right now. Although, always remember that like these videos are also for me too, right? So when I catch up and I see like, look, dude, this dump went and touched your EMA, which is 3%, which actually adds up to a lot in the long run if you stack that up a lot. 3% extra. So honestly, that's basically all I wanted to say for this video. And I am looking for a wave upwards here, something like this. Boom, boom, and see how I broke the top, got your stop loss. I think it's going to do that again. If we take a look at the 3-minute chart, I didn't even look at this, but there's two things happening right now. Okay, we're getting pushed down by this yellow EMA, and we're also getting pushed up. And this is the lowest chart that I would trade on all of my cycles, and we're bearish on all of the time frames. On the minute, on the bear cycle. Let's take a look at the bullish cycle, and last but not least, the total cycle. So this is the bullish case, the bullish cycle chart. And it seems like the bulls were trying to push it up above the, I think I'm going to have to, yeah, push it up above this EMA. But it seems like, dude, maybe I was wrong to take my profits. Maybe I should have put a stop loss instead, which would have guaranteed me, like I'm still learning here too, right? So it would have guaranteed me 3.89%, and always try to get a better edge on the market over time. Always stack up your edge. So I could have done that, or instead I took my 5%. So I would have sacrificed 2%, but I could have, you know, the risk to reward is still intact right here. If I start shorting, you know, if anybody starts to sell right now, the risk to reward. So let's say that this is red, you know, that's your risk. Then you put a stop loss like right here at $8 or something like that, right above $8. But the thing that I'm watching is time, and I think that we still got a little bit of more time. In this trade. So about an hour left. And yeah, obviously, you know, 0.5% right now. And it kind of does look like a triangle, right? Like a symmetrical triangle. By the way, guys, on my phone when I was on the beach there, there's a symmetrical triangle forming on Chainlink. This chart's wrong right here. And this target was hit with precision, a 1-to-1 perfect target right here. So let me add that just for good news. And it was pretty much perfect. I think how I had it on my phone, I used the moving average. So I would have put that as a target. But it wasn't loading. Like on my phone, it wasn't loading. So I had a stop loss in place. Everything was good. These charts here are still very bearish, in my opinion. Okay, so the target, just like on the 3-hour chart, the target here is all the way at $6.50, and I do think that it's going to go there, but it has still 2 hours to close on this candle. Okay, so the bulls might try to put it back into this golden pocket right where the yellow or the red line is sitting at, and then they might bring it down here So the reason why I was trying to analyze the waves here, like if this is some type of 1 2, this is like a 3, so 1 2 3 4, and then there's going to be another wave downwards, right? um, so I think that there's going to be another trade to take. It's going to take a little bit of patience. Okay, so I got out. Here's the 55. This is probably a decent chart to be watching. Let's enlarge it. Right now, as the support is going to start 33 minutes. Yeah, we might get another drop. Okay, I'm not 100% sure. I'll have to keep my eyes on Bitcoin as well. But yeah, there you go. I take my 5% on the markets. Pretty happy with that. Although I think that there's going to be much more. There's 10 hours left on this candle. There's much more that we can go into. Here's my favorite charts. I keep these ones to myself. But here's Bitcoin. Oh yeah, I totally forgot that Bitcoin is looking bearish right now, in my opinion, because of the volume analysis right there. But this is the 8-hour chart, so let's go to a smaller time frame and kind of see what's going on. So you see how there's big volume on this candle here, but it's kind of small. That means basically it's getting supported. So what we can see is either going to be to the upside. Like this is an A, this is a B, this is C. Okay. Or it's going to be a 1, 2, and then 3 to the upside there. Yep, that's basically it for this this analysis. Look, it's at 85 right now. She's fallen. She's fallen. I could have got an extra % out of her, I think. Or more. But it's all good. I'll put that on the track sheet, the Excel. And yeah, I'll call it yeah, see that? Here, let's just open it. And just take a look at. I don't use a 1 minute, but damn, it's a precise one if you're scalping. Like, it's such a good chart. But you don't want to, like, dude, if you're trading on the 1 minute chart for hours and hours and hours every day, it really takes a lot out of you. So, I mean, if you can do it, do it. But if you can do it and not get brain clustered or whatever it's called there. So yeah, basically, we got resistance on the way down. On the way down, yeah. So we fell about 1% since, well, I bought it like right here. Right here. And it's still looking pretty bearish. So now you have to ask yourself, would have been, this looks like a bear flag right now, in my opinion. Would it have been a better idea for me to put a stop loss up here instead of just taking my profits right here? I think that would have been a better idea. I think that could have, and we'll see, by the way, Chainlink, like if we actually zoom out here, likes to chop around in a range and whatever, up and down, really like spikes upwards and it comes back down and it spikes, right? So that's just how this thing works. But this, I've seen this so many times, like in VeChain, for example, where this is a bear flag, and it'll just break this trend line and then come downwards. So yeah, that's it for the video. I hope you like it. Give it a thumbs up, share and subscribe if you know, and if you want to be part of a really good group, then comment in the video description, and we'll try to make that a reality. Peace.